Welcome to Guruvira Textile and Fashion Technology Tutorial.
Hi friends, how are you? So today what I am going to brief what is the requirement, the profile requirement to do the sourcing job. To do the sourcing job. Sourcing job is also a part of the textile industry, sourcing. Like production planning control, like human resource development, like what do you call other departments are technical departments, okay, like that. Sourcing also important. What to source, what to source for spinning industry? In spinning industry, what is the raw material is required? What is the raw material is required for spinning? Yarn, sorry, fiber is the requirement. So for cotton spinning mill, fiber is the raw material. One department has to work to do their duty to source the fibers, to input, to feed into its mill machineries, to get output yarn. What type of fiber is required? What quality of fiber is required? Really, at what price he is getting? At what time he is getting? All this planning and all this calculation is there. Like that in weaving, what is the raw material for the weaving? Yarn. Yarn is the raw material. For that, the weaving mill has to, the peoples who work for sourcing the yarns, yarn sourcing, they work for the yarn sourcing. Right quality yarn at right time is required with best price. Right price, right time, at right on time, so that the machinery idleness, right time matlab the raw material entering into the warehouse of the company organization should be at right time. You should not delay. You should not delay. 1 hour delay. Sometimes 1 hour also be important in efficient organizations, because continuous process is going on in the organization, in the mill or in the export house or whatever. If stops machines, if the process stops because of the raw material, then what will happen? 1 hour loss will be there. The cost of loss, 1 hour loss, it not in 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees. It is in lakhs, it is in crores for the composite mills, for the big export houses. So, right time sourcing is very important. And right quality. The quality, what the quality of raw material is entering into the organization. If quality, input quality is not good, then how to get the better quality in the product, output product. Output product depends upon the input product, input quality. It should be checked, it should be tested. The quality, whatever the R&D will be there, research and development department will be there, and testing labs will be there. All these people, there also quality control departments there. They have to ensure that the input material, the raw material, the sourced raw material is of a fit quality, good fit for our processing. Okay, now that is the right quality, on time, and also what price? Best price. Best price means you should not keep the organization in loss. Market price, what the price will be there? Competitive price. They have to purchase the raw material with a competitive prices. Correct? With a competitive prices. So these are the things are there.
Please subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, and click the icon bell. Thank you.